And welcome back to the Lion Achilles show. Listen, this is the ingredients to make slime. So you need glue, contact solution, and shaving cream. And we have foamy one. And we have special
pink
glues.
Glue. You also need pink glue.
We have
You
special
can't get
glue.
no other glue than pink glue. Okay?
That's her. Alright, listen. Open it up, Nicholas. Now everybody take turns pouring the big glue in there.
Don't put too much. Alright, push it down, straight down. Wait. Straight down, Elijah.
She already put it's already in there. Just lift it up. Oh yeah, whatever. Alright, everybody take turns.
I think, I got some on mine. Not too much, Nicholas.
Alright, Nicholas. Alright, Nicholas.
Alright.
No, y'all get more. Y'all get more white glue.
You don't do it now.
Alright, you get.
Thinks it's food.
I mean, y'all, if y'all want, y'all can use all of it.
Okay, we got.
Wait, not in one thing. You know what I'm saying, Elijah?
Liar, you got just do that.
Alright.
Alright.
And you add a little bit more.
Don't of them.
Alright, I say, because you want to say something if they want more.
Or no more.
For another
Is that
time,
one little
Elijah.
drop?